Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to start by revealing what's hiding the blank sheet. Turn on paragraph marks so you can see invisible characters. Once done, open the navigation pane to locate the empty page fast. Now select the visible empty paragraph markers or use Ctrl+Shift+8 and press Delete. That removes stray paragraphs. Make sure to inspect the start and end of the document. Sometimes a single paragraph mark is all that keeps the page present, and deleting it removes the page immediately. Next, look for page or section breaks. Those often create an extra blank sheet. You should delete a page break or convert a section break to a continuous break when appropriate. This keeps layout but removes the empty page. If a table or object pushes content onto its own page, disable Allow Row to break across pages or resize the object. Also adjust paragraph spacing to 0 pt before and after, and set line spacing to single so unneeded gaps vanish. Finish by checking Print Preview or pressing Ctrl+P to confirm the blank sheet is gone, then save your document. Apply the normal style when odd spacing persists, because custom styles can force extra pages. If headers or footers spill over, reduce their size or unlink sections. If a blank page still resists, copy the main content into a fresh document or inspect the header/footer area directly. One key troubleshooting tip: always check for hidden section breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.